Are you having problems with Messenger Story not showing and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you. And I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix it myself. So basically what I did firstly is that I went into my Messenger app right here, as you can see. And then what I did in here is that I firstly clicked on menu in the bottom right corner. So I clicked on menu and then I just clicked on settings right here. And now on settings, what we are going to do in here is to click on privacy and safety, as you can see. So click right here. Then we're just going to scroll down right here until you can see where it says story controls. So click on story controls, and in here, who can see your stories? You want to set it to either your friends or public. You can have custom, of course, but it's quite annoying. You have to choose exactly who can see it. You have to go one by one, kind of annoying in my opinion. And also this one right here, new stories notification dot. So show a notification dot on the highlights tab when friends share new stories. Make sure that you enable this one as well. And that is basically exactly how to fix it.